work is done, comes the setting sun. By and by the stars begin to peer. Soon I'll lay my head on a downy bed. In a little while I'm fast asleep. But I'm really not in bed to stay. For pretty soon I'll start to sail away. Each night I take my little dream boat and sail away to memory land. At Slumber Bay I leave my dream boat anchored on the glistening sand. I stroll along to the note of a whippoorwill, as in childhood days of yore, to a place so remote where the world is still, till I reach my cabin door. The birds and bees and pretty flowers seem to whisper, let us fly. And fleeting minutes turn to hours, and it's near the break of day. The golden sunrise will open my eyes, but how I wish it were evening, so I could take my little dream boat and sail away to memory land. The golden sunrise will open my eyes, but how I wish it were evening, so I could take my little dream boat and sail away to